What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. Today we're going to take the car up to the North Georgia mountains and we're going to go drive around because I haven't had a chance to actually enjoy the double adjustable coilover front and rear suspension and the Pro Touring arms that I got from UMI on here. And I've been wanting to do it for a while. It's just been real busy. So we're going to take the car up to the mountains and we're going to meet up with some friends here in a minute. I'll show you their cars and then we'll get on the road. And then we'll get up there and drive, and I'll give you my overall opinion of how I like this suspension set up on a GBODY, and whether or not I should have done this or done like a drag suspension. So yeah, let's just hop on the road. Those are all the guys I'm riding with today. And get some bass. Got a dang 4 wide out here owning this interstate. Alright, well, we finally made it up to the mountain. We're gonna put this GBODY to the test and see what it's got. My boy's tires up there smoking. That ain't just, you gotta get that fixed, man.
What do you think so far?
Yeah, so far it's handling pretty well. My transmission's not wanting to play friendly with me right now, but I need a bigger cooler for it, so I have to pick that up. But overall, the suspension's freaking, it's holding in there. That UMI suspension's pretty daggone tough. Those double adjustable coilovers are working pretty well. That chicken poo-poo smell. Oh, God, it stinks. I don't know, it might be that Ford Mustang up there. It stinks too. It's okay, little buddy. I know you got a tough life back there scrubbing, you know. Yeah, it was rubbing pretty bad. Yeah. Oh my God, look how sticky. Yeah, dude. Jeez. Dude, they're smoking bad, dude. You got them? Oh yeah, yeah. I got it smoking. You know I did. Cool. This looks like a drifted. Yeah. Carry all the cars. Zip-a-doo dialing up the mountain. So it's freaking cool.
It was fun and scary.
Scary? Can you drop back down?
No.
Why not?
It's just scary because all the motorcycle people are
yeah, sure.
reckless.
Well, we're going to hop up back on the road and get some more footage and probably head home.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're done. I got to say, the suspension held up pretty well. Those UMI components do really well. I got Viking Coilovers in the front and QA1 in the back because it's what comes with my Ford 9-inch. And those held up pretty daggone well. Loud Mustang up in front of me, thing sounds good. But yeah, it held up pretty well. I'm really surprised how well this handled. It's a 30-something-year-old car, but it does have upgraded suspension. And I'm really pleased with it. It's a really well investment. But thanks for watching. If y'all like the content, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. Y'all know the message. If you ain't on the brake, you better be on the skinny pedal, son. We out of here. Got about 3 miles from the mountain, maybe 4 or 5, I don't know, and it broke down.